Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why you cannot log in with Steam to Path of Exile 2. This happens because the server may be down for a moment and it's not your fault usually, but you may have a bad network and it also may cause this, but usually it's the server's problem and you may either try connecting on a different gateway. So you can try changing the gateway or changing to auto choose gateway. But if it still doesn't work, that means that you'll need to wait. This had happened to me on the day of premiere, 20 minutes after the game has premiered. So it's very probable that it may happen. You just need to try again later and see if it works for you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.